Let's compare these four different step stools
to see which one works best for you.
First up, we have the HB 2-step ladder. This is a great budget portable step ladder. It is super lightweight, great for adults, great for seniors who need something small and to take with them anywhere. It's hard metal, polished finish, anti-rust. It is super easy to use, foldable. That way you can take it wherever you need, whether it is inside and outside the house, and it is extremely sturdy and comes put together. Next up, we have the Dumo step ladder. This is, again, a very sturdy step ladder. The color on this is calm blue. It's a 3-step sturdy step stool with an anti-slip pedal on the bottom, comfortable handrail. It's portable, can hold up to 800 pounds, so it is extremely heavy duty, one of the most heavy duty. It is fold up and then very easy to take with you, and it does come put together as well. Next up, we have the leaf pie step stool. Now, this is great for seniors, but only if you get somebody to put it together and be confident to put it together. This was extremely difficult to put together, and if you don't put it together correctly, it is wobbly and will fall apart. It does have a comfortable handle, so it is great for seniors, but it is not foldable or anything. So if you're going to take it with you, you do have to kind of drag it. Lastly, we have the Smug step ladder. This is very similar to the Dumos, except in all black. It is at 800-pound capacity, comes put together, so it is extremely sturdy. It's portable, heavy duty, it folds up, great for outdoor use, great for indoor use. And it does have an anti-slip pedal, so you are going to be sturdy on this.